To turn on your fog lights on your Citroen C3, it's very easy to do. We need to put the main lights on to begin with, so that's dipped and main. And we're going to be using this inner ring here. And if we turn it this way, it's going to turn them on, and this way will turn them off. But you can do it twice. Once for the front, twice for the back. So if we do it, you can see there's two green lights there at the moment. If we go once like that, the third green lights come on here. That's put on the front fogs. If we want them off, we go this way and it turns them off. If we go this way again, front fog lights on. If we go again that way, it's now come up with the amber light there. That's now put on the rear fog lights. And then to turn the rear off, you just do that. And then to turn the front off, you do that again. So it's nice and straightforward. If you just want the front ones on, you do that. Then you can turn them off like so. If you want the rear on, you have to have the front on as well. So you would do twice like that. And then you'd have the front and rear. And then rear off and front off. So I just want to show you the fog lights out the front and back. So I've got them on there now. So there we go. You can see that's the front one there. And also here as well. And I'll just show you around the rear. And the rear one is just here. Thanks for watching.